Today I will be reading my mean, funny, and otherwise strange comments. Wow, he really looks like a woman. The makeup is the only thing that gives it away. Your eye looks like a brown M&M on the back of a white moose. I think this one's actually a compliment. Eggplant squirt? You should open up a beauty salon near me in Minneapolis. I'm a starving artist architect that plans on going out in style by either a mob assassin shooting me, Kennedy style, as my girlfriend and I roll in a rolling chair on the boardwalk, or make love under the boardwalk and float away into the sea. Anyways, hope that didn't freak you out. I'm not suicidal, just a man that loves what you do with hair and will die to help out the great society that is being undermined beneath us. I feel like rolling on a rolling chair on a boardwalk would be intensely uncomfortable. How can a vintage pinup look be someone who is covered in tattoos? That was not a sign of the times back in the day. Class was the thing. Nothing says class like leaving mean comments on strangers' pages on the internet. You have gained a fuller figure. Always great to have my weight commented on. So sad, such a beautiful woman ruined by tats. To say you couldn't afford $1 Wet n Wild eye pencil back then is silly. You were just being a thief. I'm so glad for you that you have privilege to think that everybody's financial situation is secure as your own.